Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel Diksha Karnataka. I hope you have done your mock test, you performed well. I am Ankit Srivastav coming here with your solutions KPL for test number 3. The topic was what? The topic was determinants and continuity and differentiability, right? I hope all of you answered all the questions. Most of the questions, if not all the questions, right? Exactly. The paper was not that difficult, only I think 3 to 4 questions were challenging. Rest all was easy problems only, basically directly applicable from the concept side. Okay, if you know the concepts, questions will be quickly solved, right? Because these are all PYQs only. I think I have taken mostly PYQs. I think only one question is not a PYQ. Okay, apart from all the 29 questions were PYQ. So as you know, for every correct answer, grade yourself +1. For every incorrect answer, grade yourself 0. If you have not attempted a question, again grade yourself a 0 marks. Okay, I'm going to discuss your entire paper right now. So if you need to have some doubts answered, take your pen and paper out. Okay, I might go a little faster in the session today. So if you are struggling with that, pause the video, solve the question, and then come back and check the solution. Why I'm saying that? Because when you solve it by yourself once, when you give a try again from your side, then it is easier to relate with the problem. Okay, so all right, let's start with the session. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. First question. Okay, अच्छा, this is the very simple question. If A is in a matrix of order 3, important point to know, n is given as 3 बच्चा, n is given as 3. अच्छा, it's written as only matrix, but it's understood, right? It is square matrix. Yes, given as A adjoint A is 10i. Okay, then find determinant of adjoint A. So this we know, right? Determinant of any adjoint is simply determinant of A to the power n minus 1, right? N minus 1, right? If I had let's say another adjoint, I'll write n minus 1 to the power 2. If I had another adjoint, if I had 3 adjoint of A, I'll write a determinant of A power n minus 2 and keep going on like that. 2 power 3 and then 2 then 3 and keep going on like that. Okay, so I need this value because I know n, right? N is what? N is 3. So this will be simply 2 because 3 minus 1 is 2. I need determinant A. No, you know this expression also. A adjoint A is given by what, bacha? This. Okay, please compare. If you're having this doubt as well, bring this over here and bring this over here. What are you gonna get? Please check. It'll be adjoint A upon determinant of A equals to I by A, right? Simply what is it? A inverse, no? So this is the definition of A inverse, adjoint A by A. So this is true. So if you compare this by this, what are you gonna get? You're gonna get determinant of A equals to 10. See, A adjoint A is 10i. Compare here. AI, it means 10 is the case of determinant value. Put it here, you get 10 square. Answer is 100. Answer is 100. Okay, chali. Answer is 100. Option C. I hope all of you got it right. Okay, no doubt in this, right? How A adjoint A is equal to determinant A times I. Correct? This is clear. Let's move on. Question number 2. Okay, inverse of the matrix. I don't think you need the help in this. Answer, I think answer is D in this case. Directly we can get, but let me solve it anyway. First question in inverse, I will solve it. If somebody have forgotten this concept, we'll revise it for them. Okay, so first thing, how we find inverse? First thing, check the determinant of A. If it is coming equal to 0, we can't find it. It has to be only for non-singular matrix. So if I do that, I don't have to find for 0, only for 2 I can find 2 times of 3 times of 4 minus 0. Correct? How much is that, bacha? 24. Yes, 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24. So this is not equal to 0. So non-singular matrix, I can find the inverse. Correct? Yes, sir. Okay, so how do I find inverse? Adjoint A upon this, right? Let's find adjoint A over here. So first let me write the matrix A itself, so we don't have to go back every time. Okay, what's my matrix? 2, 3, 4, rest all 0. 2, 3, 4, rest all 0. Again, this is a P by Q, right? So I'm writing what? Adjoint A. So we know that adjoint A would be cofactors transpose, correct? Let's write for 2. For 2 I'll get what bacha? 12 minus 0, so it will be 12 only positive, correct? Because even. For 0, what will be this bacha? 0, again this will be 0. For this 0, if I take it, for this term, I'll have what? I'll have again 0, right? So this will be 0 again. For this 0, again we will get what? 0 here, because 4 times 0 is 0 and 0 times 0 is 0, okay? What about this 3? I'll get what? 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8 minus 0. So again, it is going to be 8 only, positive, because 8 to 2, right? 8 to 2 is again even. What about last term? If I take this 0 into 0, again 0, okay? For this term, for this 0, I'll have 3 times 0 is 0, 0 times 0 is 0, so again 0. For this term, I will have this out, second column and third row out. I'll have 2 times 0 is 0 and 0 times 0 is 0, so again 0. For what about last term? I'll have 3 times 2 is 6 minus 0, again positive, because A33 is even. A33 is even, okay? This is my adjoint. I have to take transpose, will remain as it is, correct? Because this is all 0, right? Except for the the diagonal element, everything is 0, so they will remain as it is. So what we are looking for, bacha? So basically, our A inverse look like same thing I will write. This is my adjoint A, will remain as it is. So 12 0 0 0 8 0 0 0 6 divided by 24. Why sir? Determinant of A, divide it. What I'm gonna get? Please check. 12 by 24. So 1 by 2. This all will be 0, na? All 0. 8 by 24. So 1 by 3. 6 by 24. So 1 by 4. Rest all is 0. Is the answer same thing? Yeah, same answer. Okay. Simple question. Simple question. Okay. All right. Moving on to the next problem. The system of linear equations x plus y plus z. Okay, they have given a set of 3 linear equations. No solution, means determinant will be 0. Correct. Because how we used to find this? Remember, we have to take A inverse, right? Inverse will only exist if it is non-singular. They're saying that no solution means it has to be equal to 0. It has to be singular matrix. Let's write the matrix form first. How will that look like, bacha? Again, a question asked in 2015. Please check here. Please check here. Okay. Achha, one more thing. When I'm coming for PYQ, I give some extra information. Okay. Like I might take some extra question which is out of syllabus also. Reason being, because if not the same question, the concept of some part of the question might be repeated. So for that reason, and if you see, there's a trend in PYQ. Okay. You'll see how. Okay. The similar kind of question is asked, in every coming years. So let's see, bacha. X plus y plus z. So this will be simply 1 1 1. Okay. What about this one? 1 2 3. 1 2 3 for this one. For this one will be 1 2 A. This is my first matrix, correct? Second one will be x y z, and the last one will be for what? For what? My constants. I hope you're not forgotten. Constant will be 6 10 and B. 6 10 and B. Okay. Right, now that's how you used to write matrix A and the matrix of the variable, which is matrix X, equals to the matrix of the constant, which is simply K. Okay. Since I have to find this X value, I'll take this inverse. This can only happen if it is non-singular. They're saying no solution means this has to be singular. It means it'll be equal to, it'll be equal to 0. Determinant of A will be equal to 0 means what? Let's see here. 1 1 1 1 2 3 1 2 A. Am I right? Yes. This has to be equal to 0, bacha. Solve it. Quickly solve it. How much I'll get for this A? For this A, I'll have 2A minus 6. For this will be plus minus plus. Correct, na? Plus minus plus. Right? Odd, even, again. Sorry, even, odd, even. Okay. For the next one, minus 1 times, I'll take what? A minus 3. Correct, right? For this, I'll cancel this one. No. So, A minus 3. Okay. Please check. I'm not doing all the steps, bacha, because I know you guys know it. I've only taught you this. So plus 1 for the last one in the row 1, I'll get 2 minus 2. Please check. This 2 minus this 2. So it will be 2 minus 2. So this part is 0. Chalo. This is 0, no problem. Ye 0 ho gaya. How much is this? 2A minus 6. How much is this? Minus A plus 3. Okay. And this should be equal to what? Whole thing should be equal to 0. Equal to 0. Please cross check. I'll have A minus 3 equal to 0. So simply A equal to 3. Simply A equal to 3. Please cross check here. Please cross check here. This is coming as 3. Now please check 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It means this B always has to be 10. Same equation, no, 1, 2, 3 equals to 10 means 1, 2, 3 has to be equal to 10. So this A is 3 means this B has to be 10. Option, any option? Option A. Please check. Option A, 3, 10. A is 3, B is 10. I hope this is clear. I hope every one of you got this answer right. Simple question, right? Very simple matrix. We have to find the determinant equal to 0, found the value of A as 3, compared it, got B as 10. Okay. Fourth problem, चलिए करते हैं. Okay. So they have given a matrix A. They have given a matrix A, alpha 2, 2 alpha. Okay. This is symmetric matrix, right? This is determinant of A cube equal to 27. They have given that. We know this property. We have to find alpha, but we'll use it from here first. You know this. Correct, right? Okay. What is this then? Cube root of 27. How much is that, please? Tell me. 3. So we found determinant of A is 3. Put it here. Find the determinant from here. Will be what? Alpha square minus 4. Correct, na? Alpha into alpha is alpha square minus 4 equals to 3. So right here, alpha square minus 4. And then what will this become? Alpha square equals to 7. Alpha equals to plus minus root of 7. Is it simple question or not? I said paper is relatively easier, bacha. Okay, this option is missing, huh? Right here, plus minus 8 was there. Okay, option is missing. Plus minus 8 is there. All right, so okay, chali. Option D is correct answer. Shall we move on? Simple problem. Okay, evaluate this. Again, paper, this question came in 2015. Think about it, how simple this question is. Please check. The answer should come as, I think 0, but let's see how it's coming. So if I have to find determinant of this, I'll cross multiply this and this together. So I'll write here cos 15 degrees, cos 75 degrees minus sine 15 degrees and sine 75 degrees. Yes or no? Right? If you want actually, you can solve this question in two different ways. If you can solve this question like a person from 10th grade can solve. How, sir? Sine and cos are complementary. Sine and cos are complementary. So, sir, this will become sine 15. Understand this? This will become sine 15, sir. And this will become, sir, cos 15. Because complementary angles, sir, 15 and 75. So, sine 15, cos 15, sine 15, cos 15, answer is 0. Other way, if you want to solve like a 12th grader, see cos A, cos B, sin A, sin B. What is it? Cos of A plus B, na? How much is that? Cos of 15 plus 75. How much is that? Cos of 90 degree. Nahi ho jayega, 0. Cos 90 is 0, right? Cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0. So if you want to solve it like a 10th grader, whichever comes faster to you. If you want to use the trigonometric property, cos A plus B is nothing but cos A, cos B minus sin A and sin B. Use this, get the answer. If you don't want, use the complementary angles. Cos 75 is sin 15, sin 75 is cos 15. Cos sin is 0. Any of the options, method 1 and method 2. Your choice, option is, answer will not change. Answer is A. Kar lenge. Simple question, simple problem. You must have enjoyed looking at this question. I know everyone who has attempted the paper would have got this question right? Very, very simple. Okay. Now, moving on to our sixth problem. If x, y, z are all different and not equal to 0, means individually they are not equal to 0. Okay. X and y and z are not equal to 0. This is the given matrix 3 cross 3. It's equal to 0. Means the determinant of this thing is equal to 0. Find the value of 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. Right. That's what is written here. They're asking us this value. Okay, this might be a little complicated, not complicated, I think calculative. So we'll see. Let me find the determinant over here only, and then we'll equate it to 0. So how will I find it? Let's find across row 1. So I'll write here, bacha, 1 plus x. If I call this to be matrix A, I can write there determinant of A is equals to 1 plus x times, please check, this times this. So what is this going to be? 1 plus y times 1 plus z minus this times this. So 1. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Yes, of course, yes. Right? Simple enough. For the second term in the first row, for the second term will be negative. No, sir. How can you write positive, sir? Mistake, sir. Mistake. Please forgive me. positive row, second term is negative, right? Odd term, 1, 2, so odd. Again, what we're going to do, bacha? Please check here. For this, I'm going to cancel this and this, right? So 1 plus j times 1 is simply 1 plus j or z, okay? And 1 into 1 is simply 1, so minus 1. Okay, let's see this. First row, last column. What is it? 1 minus 1 plus 1. So again, we'll come here plus 1. Why plus 1, sir? Last is positive, 1, 3. So plus 1 will get what? 1 minus 1 plus y. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. And this is equal to what, bacha? 0. How, sir? They have given here, not mine. They have given in the problem. Okay. So I will simplify it over here only, whatever I can. Let's see. 1 plus x. What will this be? 1 plus z. Then I'm going to do with y. So y plus yz. Yz. Okay. Okay. This is z, bacha. Minus 1. Please see here. 1 and 1 will cancel. I'll have minus with z. So minus z. This is z, not 2. So minus z. Okay. Again, this is simply 1. And this, if you see here, this 1 and 1 will cancel. I'll have simply minus y equal to 0. Yes or no? Yes, right? Yes, no. Now next step, I'll see the expansion. So what I'm going to get now, please continue. Please continue. So I'll rewrite the last statement. It is 1 plus x times. It is 1 plus x times, how much is it? 1 plus y plus z plus yz minus y minus z. Please see, equals to 0. These are not 2, these are all z's, okay? Anything else? Yeah. Please see. 1 plus z plus y, yz. And this 1 and 1 cancels, right? Oh yeah. So minus z minus y equal to 0. Right? Okay. Let's multiply this, bacha. So first I will multiply this entire bracket with 1. I'm going to get the same bracket. So let me write it here first. 1 plus y plus z plus yz. Now I'm going to multiply the entire thing with x. So I'll get what? First thing, x with 1 is x with y is xy, x with z is xz, and x with yz is xyz. Okay, this is the expansion now. Now I'll write the remaining number of terms. Minus y minus z equals to 0. Sir, thoda lamba ho gaya. Sir, this is easy. This is getting lengthier. But you'll see how easy it is. Yz, yz. Simple, na? Yz. Okay. Anything else? Anything else? There should be one more one. Yeah. Okay. Yz. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's take this one on that side. Okay. Let's take this. Okay, no. That's what I thought. This one should not come, bacha. Tell me why this one should not come. I think you already know, right? Because this one is cancelled, na? Please check. This one is cancelled with this minus 1. So this is not there. I mistakenly wrote it there. So z, y, yz is the only thing which is present there. Please check. Z, y, yz is only present there. So there is no 1 as such. So only this thing is written over here. So what is left now? That's why I got confused. Yz plus x, okay? Yz plus xy, okay, I wrote it twice now because of that one thing. See, one little mistake makes everything incorrect, sir. We have to be very, very careful, sir. Sorry, sir. Okay, this is xy plus xz, okay, and I'll bring this thing over there. So minus xyz, okay, minus xyz. Divide everything by xyz. Yes. Please check. What is left now? Please check here. It's 1 by x here, 1 by z here, 1 by y here, minus 1. So if you write it like this, arrange and write it like this, x inverse, this is y inverse, this is plus z inverse equals to how much? Minus 1. Isn't that what they asked us? X inverse, y inverse plus z inverse is how much? Answer is minus 1. Option D. Option D. I hope you got it right. Little bit lengthier, but see, even the question is difficult or not, I don't understand one thing, why people say problem is difficult or say I cannot solve it only. Look at the problem, what is there asking us to do, what you can do about the question. So we have to find the determinant. You know how to find the determinant. Don't worry about that statement. Did I worry about it? It already came at last. Okay, yes, I made a mistake, so I had to change that. But apart from it, I had to only find determinant. That's what I've learned, right? Then why will I worry about anything else? So whatever you have learned, whatever has been asked in the question, just do accordingly with the given information, and you'll reach the result automatically. Okay. If not 100%, then almost 95% of the time you'll get that answer, that approach. And in the examination, that's how the approach is required. Not much difficult, like the time is the problem, not the difficulty level of the question. The segregation, right? 50, 30 and 20 is there. So only 20% you have to worry about. Rest all you can do. Chaliye, karte hain. If A is any square matrix of order 3 cross 3, 3A. This is so easy, right? 3A will be what? Determinant of 3A simply would be 3 power 3. Determinant of A, right? How much is that? 27. Determinant of A. Is the answer one of them? C. Simple. Asked in 2016. Asked in 2016. Moving on. Again what? Oh, same thing. So it will become what? K cube A. K cube A, any option? D, I think. So order is 3, right? So that's why K cube A. So option D again. Previous one was C. Same thing. Same concept. K is 3 in this case. C. Asked in 2016, and this problem is asked in 2017. Same question has been asked in a different way. Okay, K cube A. Determinant, obviously. Okay. Excuse me. Area of triangle, you have to find it out. Given the vertices are K0, 4, 0, 0, 2. Is okay. Area is also given 4 square unit. What is the area of a triangle in the form of determinant? We all know 1 by 2 times of. We'll add the vertices. So first K0, 1. Next is 4, 0, 1 and 0, 2, 1. Okay. What is it? Simply 4, right? So I'll take both the cases. Plus minus 4. Okay. Multiply this 2 on that side. I'll get this determinant equals to what? I'll get this determinant equals to what, bacha? I can erase this over here and write that 2 over there. So this will become what? Simply plus minus 8. Let's solve this determinant. How much is it? K01 4002. Can we now solve it? Okay. Actually, please look at here. I don't have to solve it across K01. I can solve it across this column. So column number 2. Okay. Column number 2. What is this? This is negative. Correct? This is negative. This is what? Positive. Correct? This is what? Negative. Yes or no? This is what? 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2. So 3, 2 is again negative. So worry about only this thing, because across 0 will be 0. If I'm finding determinant across this second column, this is 0, this is also 0. Third one will be what? Minus 2 times of, cancel this and this, I'll get what? K minus 4, right? Equals to plus minus 8, right? What I'm going to get? Minus 2k plus 4 equals to plus minus 8, right? See the mistake again? Sir, why so many mistakes in calculation? I don't know. Minus 2 times minus 4 is plus 8. Okay, plus 8. I'll take plus sign first. So minus 2k plus 8 equals to plus 8, and minus 2k plus 8 equals to minus 8. Please check here. This will become 8 and it will cancel. This will be k equals to 0. Over here, minus 2k will be equals to minus 16. So k equals to plus 8. So answer is 0, 8. Answer is 0 or 8. Simple enough? Simple enough? Yes? Okay. Yes, you can see this, right? First thing was to find the determinant value, and from there we got the k value for both the condition as 0, 8. Chali. Okay, if x, y, z, 10th problem, x, y, z belongs to a real number, okay, then find the value, then the value of determinant. Okay, you have to find this determinant value. Chaliye. Looks complicated, but what do we know? To find determinant, we have to make certain modifications. Obviously, right now, if we do this, it will become very, very complicated. Let's see how we can make some. And you can see this. These are very simple numbers. Means certain modification has to be done. As in 2018. Okay, good problem. But what I can see from any math student, anyone can see that this a plus b the whole square formula is there everywhere, okay? And the terms are similar, means some type of modifications if I do in the column and row, my answer would be coming, okay? Again, this might be out of syllabus, but I wanted you to do because very good question, concepts are very, very nice. So see, check here. So I can rewrite this statement as, how can I rewrite this, bacha? Please check. Okay, this will become 5 power 2x, because a square, no? This will become 5 power minus 2x, okay? And what will this be? Plus 2 times of this into this. Please understand, a into b. What is 5 power x into 5 power minus x? Please check. It will become 5 power x minus x. How much is that? 5 power 0. How much is that? 1. So it will become a 2 times of just 1. Okay, 2 times of just 1. What about this one? Same thing. 5 power 2x plus 5 power minus 2x, 5 power minus 2x, and then simply minus 2, because a minus b the whole square is there. Okay, I don't have to write 1. Okay, this one I don't have to write. This one I'm talking about. Okay, this one. What about this? Same thing I can write. 6 power 2x plus 6 power minus 2x, okay, plus again 2. Over here what? 6 power plus 2x, this is plus, okay, and plus 6 power minus 2x and minus 2. Again here 1. Please check. 7 power 2x plus 7 power minus 2x plus 2. Over here also I can write, bacha, 7 power 2x plus 7 power minus 2x minus 2. Okay, can you see a pattern here? Everything remains same, only sign is changing. So if I subtract or if I add these two together, so means instead of in this place I am applying the transformation. In this place, for this column C, which one? C2, I am writing C2 as C1 plus C2. I am writing C2 as C1 plus C2. If I do that, what am I going to get? Please check. Oh no, not C1 plus C2. I write it as C1 minus C2. C1 minus C2. Not plus, sir, forgive me. It will make the work again difficult. I want to make my life easier. C1 minus C2. Even that will work, but this is easier. C1 minus C2. Please check. If I do that, this will cancel this will cancel this, and this minus this will become plus 4. 2 minus minus 2 will become plus 4. So I can rewrite this statement as, this is what matrix A is equals to, so 5 power 2x plus 5 power minus 2x plus 2. This will remain same, right? 6 power 2x plus 6 power minus 2x plus 2, and 7 power 2x plus 7 power minus 2x plus 2. I am not changing anything in column 1. Column 2 I am changing. This will get as plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 1, 1, 1. How, sir? By applying what? C2 equals to C1 minus C2. Okay. Now check here. I can take 4 common from this part. When I do that, what am I going to get? 4 times of. This will remain same, this whole thing. This and this. Okay. And this will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. We know that whenever this column or rows are proportional or equal, what happens? The determinant of that will be equal to 0. Equal to 0. Option number D. Option number D. I said no. Question looks difficult, but answers are similar, means something has to be transformed. Again, little bit out of syllabus because transformation part, but I think you can solve it. I can still solve it. Simple transformation. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's proceed now. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now, this is again same concept, right? Ka, I can take this as what? K cube. So, K cube will be 5 cube. So, option will be what? 125. Option B is my correct answer. Correct, right? This will be what? 5 cube A, right? What is 5 cube? Why 5 cube? Order is 3 for that reason, right? So, 5 cube A. Answer is B. Answer is B. Simple problem. Inverse of this matrix. Can we find it out? Before finding inverse, what should we do? First find determinant. Okay. First find determinant. How much this determinant will be? Please check across 2. Across 2, how much I'll get, bacha? 1, 1, So 1 minus 0, okay, across 5. So minus 5 times of, what I'm going to get? 0 minus minus 1. So plus 1, correct? This is 0 and this is minus of minus 1. So plus 1, how much is that? So 2 minus 5, how much is that? Minus 3, right? Am I right? Have I made any mistake? 1 minus 0. So 2 minus 1. For minus 5 it is correct. For 0 it is going to be 0 only. So this is it. Determinant is not equal to 0. So it is non-singular. I can identify. Find the inverse. How will you find the inverse? Adjoint A upon determinant of A. I know you can solve this question, right? I'll tell you the option. The answer should be B. Answer should be B. Please cross check your answers. This is it. So for question number 12, the answer is, you can find the steps, right? Inverse adjoint A, you can find it out. Okay. I have taught you in one of the questions, and from here use this formula, get A inverse, get the answer as B. If not, if there is anything else you want to ask about this question, comment below. Comment below in the video for the question number 12 if you have any doubt in this. But answer should be B. Okay, let's move on. Okay. Question number 13. Question number 13. I just not did this because it'll just same approach and it'll take time in calculation. Okay. So I think you can do it from your side. No problem. All right. I've done a similar question in the beginning. Chaliye, karte hain. A, B is given. They're asking us determinant of A, B, B dash. A, B, B dash they're asking. Simply what I need A, I need B, I need B dash, right bacha? Correct? We know that B and B dash will have same determinant, right? So simply find A determinant, B determinant, answers will come. What is my A determinant from here? Please tell me from here. It'll be, sir, 2 minus 12. So how much is that? Minus 10. What is my B determinant? Please tell me. Same as this also, right? How much is that? 4 minus 1. So 5. What is the answer for this? Minus 10, 5 into 5. How much is that? Minus 250. How much is that? Option C. Simple problem. Simple. Yes, let's move on. Okay. All right. If the value of a third order, means n is given at 3, order is 3. Please see here, order is 3. Determinant is 16. Okay, means let me take the determinant to be A. So they are saying that A determinant is what, bacha? 16, sir. Okay, moving on. Then the value of the determinant formed, okay, by replacing each of its element by cofactor. Arey, that is adjoint only, no? If I add transpose also, adjoint only. Basically, they are saying that there's a matrix like this: A11, A12, A13, A14. Sorry, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is my matrix 3 cross 3, right? Third order means 3 cross 3 matrix is there. For this, they are saying, if I'm finding what? Determinant. So think about it, whether this is a determinant or I write it as B transpose. I told you, no, this will remain same, no? So what is this called as? This is simply called as adjoint A. Not this, if you want to have a proper clarity. Some people have this as doubt. This I can write it as adjoint A, the determinant. Sir, but this is not adjoint. I have to take a transpose, no? Take a transpose. Even if you take a transpose of B, the determinant will remain same, right? So either you write determinant of B or you write determinant of B dash. Same thing. If you write B dash, it will become what? Adjoint. Because if this is my B dash, if this is my B, then the transpose of the cofactors matrix is nothing but adjoint of A. Taking determinant will be what? I told you this. Simply this. Correct, right? I told you, no, this is the formula, determinant power n minus 1. If there was another adjoint, I'll write n minus 1 the square. Another adjoint, I'll write n minus 1 power 3. Okay. So what will this be? What is this value? Determinant of A is given as 16. Likh lijiye. 16, n is what? 3 minus 1. 16 power 2. How much is that? 256. How much is that? 256. Option number? Option number B is correct answer. Okay. Option number B is correct answer. Moving on. Moving on, 15th problem. Okay, the constant term in the expansion of this thing, this determinant. Think about it. Constant means what? Free from x's, free from these all x values. How can I get that? Make x equals to 0. Substitute here. Ek do bhai, x equals to 0 everywhere. What is the newly transformed matrix? 1 minus 1 2 here, minus 1 2 1 here, minus 2 1 minus 1. Find the determinant, please. Find across this only. 1 times of minus 2 minus 1, this minus times of, so minus of minus 1 times of, okay, 1 minus plus 2, so 1 plus 2, please check here, minus 1 into minus 1 is 1, and this will be minus 2, so becomes plus 2, becomes plus 2, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, then minus of minus 2 will be plus 2, okay. What next? What next? For this 2 will be positive, so 2 times of what? Minus 1 and minus of minus 4. So minus 1 minus of minus 4. How much is that? Please check. This is minus 4. This is minus 4. Visible, right? Not visible. I'll rewrite it. No confusion. Okay. No need of any confusion. Minus of minus 4. How much is that? Plus 4 simply. Plus 4. Yes, visible now. So this will be simply minus 3. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. And this will be plus 1, this plus 1 plus 3. So plus 3, this will be 2 times of minus 1 plus 4. How much is that? 3. So 6. How much is it? 6. Answer is 6. Is the answer 6? Please check. So the constant term is, if you expand this constant term is 6. Okay? Okay? Chali. Why 6? Why I'm taking like this? Because for constant term x will be 0, right? There will be no x, no? Okay, that's why I've substituted x as 0. Okay. Think about it. No, if I have expansion like this, ax square plus bx plus c. I want to find constant term. How will I get it? Put x equals to 0. If you put x equals to 0 in this function, what is left? C value. That is my constant term, no? Yes, right? Yes, 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 sir. That's how. Chali. Okay. Okay, sir. 16th problem. Okay, another complex matrix is given for the function fx. They're saying which of them is true. I like 0. Let's do with 0 first, because 0 will make my life easier, right? Okay. And in the exam they have to make our life easier because we have less time. Okay. So if I have to do with 0, means I have to find out what value? F of 0. So let's find the matrix across f of 0. What I'm going to get, please check. This will be 0, this will be a, this will be b, this will be minus a, this will be 0, this will be c, this will be minus b, this will be minus c, this is 0. Correct? Find the determinant of this, because I have to find the value of this function, right, at 0. So value means what? Determinant. Value means what? Determinant, right? Right, sir? Please tell me it's right. So find the determinant, please. So determinant of this, I have to find it out. नहीं निकाल सकते. Across 0 will be 0 only. Now across a, so minus a times, check this out, this is gone. So 0 times a will be 0, and b times of c will be what? Please check here, minus b times c. So minus of minus bc. Okay, please check. Minus b into c is minus bc, but there's a minus sign, so negative of minus bc. What about the last one? What about the last one? Please see. Okay, this is gone. So ac minus, so b across, I can write here plus b across ac minus 0. Correct? AC minus 0. Let's erase this extra lines I've drawn here. Simple enough, right? Very simple. Very, very simple, sir. This is what? Please check here. Minus a plus bc. How much is it? 0 will be 0 only, right? So this is plus bc. So it will become minus abc. And how much this will be? B times of ac. So plus abc. Rest everything is 0. So this is also b. Cancelling out. Answer is 0. The determinant of this is how much? 0. And what was this? F of 0's value. Option is B, sir. Correct answer, right? B is correct answer. Let's move on. Chaliye. Okay. I had extra space. Did not need it. Fx. Okay, this is given in terms of trigonometric function. They are asking us to find the limit of fx. So first we have to find what, bacha? we have to find the determinant of this, because what is it? Function's value we need, then only we can apply the limit, right? So first find the function's value. How will I find determinant? Can I find across this first column? Why, sir? Because here in the first column, second and third term is 0. So I don't have to find the value, only for cos x I can find out, that will be enough. Right. So across first column check. So I'll find cos x will be positive because 1 is even, so positive cos x times. I'll cancel this and this. So 2 into 2, how much is that? 4 cos square x, है ना? This into this. And what about this? Minus 3. Okay. This is the determinant value. This is fx value. I'm finding determinant of this. Okay. If I do that, what I'm going to get? Please check. 4 cos cube x, okay, minus 3 cos x, है ना? 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, right? They ask us to find the limit value at pi. Check limit x tends to pi for fx. So basically limit x tends to pi 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Now you know that if there is an indeterminate form, then only we'll take out or we'll modify the expression. If it is not, please apply and check first. This will be 4 minus 1 the cube, because cos of pi is minus 1, and this will be 3 minus 1. How much is that? So minus 4 plus 3, how much is that? Minus 1. Not indeterminate, right? So indeterminate is not there. Minus 1 is the answer. Option number A. Correct? Questions looks complicated, but answer is very simple. Okay, very simple. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's move on. Okay, simple, no? So far it's been simple. 17 questions we have solved. I think 1 or 2 will be calculated in nature. Rest all are very simple. Okay, so this is given the expression x cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18 equals to 0. Okay, a is given, but there is a variable here, so x. Okay, then find the maximum value of a. We have to maximize this a. So to find this maximum value, I have to check with the value of x. To find the determinant of a, I need the value of x, right? So I can try and get x value from here, because this is the equation, no? What type of equation, sir? Cubic equation. Means I can have maximum of 3 zeros or 3 roots. Chal, let's check, sir. How will I write this? So x cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18 equals 0. Am I right? Take here x square common, x minus 2, take here minus 9 common, x minus 2 equal to 0. Am I right? Minus 9 I can take common, right? X minus 2 is correct. Again x minus 2 is common from these two terms. So take x minus 2 common. What is here? X square minus 9. X square minus 9 equals to 0. है ना? What is this? So basically x minus 2, x minus 3 and x plus 3 equal to 0. है या नहीं? Yes or no? Please cross check. So if I equate this bracket x minus 2 with 0, I'll get what? X as 2. Correct? If I equate this bracket x minus 3, I'll get x as 3, right? And if I equate this bracket x plus 3, I'll get x as minus 3. So I have 3 possible values of x. Other possibilities are there? It can't be. It's a cubic function. Cubic equations. Only 3 at most can exist. So now rest all depends upon this x value. So first we will find this determinant in terms of x, and we'll see at what value this determinant value is coming maximum. Okay. So we write it 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This a is given as 1, 2, 3, 4x. This is 3. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9. Am I right? Am I right, sir? Yes, sir. Yes. Anything else I missed? 1, 2, 3, 4x 6, 7, 8, 9. 4x 6, 7, 8, 9. चलिए ठीक है. Let's find determinant of this. Yeah. Across 1 I can find it out. First, it will be 9x minus 8 times 6 is 42. 48, right? 9 times of x is 9x. Yeah, 48. 8 6 are 48. What about across 2? It will be minus 2. I'll cancel this and this out. So 9 4s are 36. 36 minus 7 6 are 42. Okay. Across 3 I'll do now. across 3 I will do now, right? Across 3, so it will be for 32 minus 7x, correct, right? Correct, no? This and this, yes, yes sir, yes sir, yes, okay, चलिए करते हैं. This will remain as it is, 9x minus 48, expand here, minus 72 plus 84, okay, expand here, plus 96 minus 21x. Take the x value first. 9x minus 21x is how much? Minus 12x, right? 9 minus 21 is minus 12. Now please check here, add positive and add negative. Minus 8 plus 2, so this is going to be simply, okay, 120, correct? Correct, na? 8 plus 2 is 10, 7 plus 4 is 11, and 1 is carry, minus 120. And what about this? This will be 180, I think. Please check. 96 plus 4 is 100, plus 80 is 180. Simplify this, please. Determinant of A is equals to minus 12x plus 60. Now check. I have 3 values. What are 3 values that I have? I can take my x as 2, 3 or minus 3. 2, 3 or minus 3. If I take 2, it will be a negative number. So again it will be a smaller number. It will be less than 60 in that case. If I take 2 and 3, this number will be less than 60 or not? Yes, but if I take minus 3, for which 2 values? If I take minus 3, this number will be greater than 60, and how much that will be? Please check. So minus 12 times of minus 3 plus 60, how much is that? 36 plus 60, how much is that? 96. Answer is 96. This is the maximum value. They asked us for maximum value. Answer is 96. Option A is correct. Okay, not calculative, simple only. I took little extra time to explain you, otherwise not that calculative in nature. Okay, moving on. Inverse of matrix A cube. Okay, inverse, we have to find it out. Chalo, let's do it. It's 2 cross 2, so I don't think it will be difficult to find inverse. Okay, first we have to find A cube, right? So it means we have to find what? A square first. चलिए कर लेते हैं जल्दी से. A square. What is A square, sir? A square is going to be same thing with same thing. So 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2 with same thing. 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2. Please cross multiply this. First row, first column. 2 times 2 is 4, and minus 1 times 3 is, okay, minus 3. All right. What about this? What about this? Second column. 2 times of minus 1, minus 2, and 1 times of minus 2, so plus 2. Correct, na? 2 times of minus 1 is minus 2, minus 1 times of minus 2 is plus 2. What about the next row? 3 times of 2 is 6, minus 2 times of 3 is again minus 6. 3 times of minus 1, minus 3, minus 2 times of plus 2, minus 2 times of minus 2, plus 4. How much is this? A square is, please check, 1001. 1001, which is what? Identity? Yes or no? Yes. What is A cube? A cube is A square into A. What is A square? Identity. Simply what? A. Means I have A cube equals to A. Right? A cube equals to A. So if I have to find what inverse of A cube, I can write what? A inverse. What is A inverse going to be? Adjoint of A upon determinant of A. Right? What is my determinant of A? Find it here, please. Determinant of A will be what, bacha? Minus 4, minus of minus 3. So minus of minus 3. How much is that? Minus 4 plus 3. So minus 1. Determinant of A is minus 1. Determinant of A is minus 1. Okay. Now we have to find adjoint of A. Let's write A first. 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2. Please cross check again. Yes. So adjoint means what? Cofactors transpose. So adjoint will be what? Cofactors and then transpose. Cofactor of 2 is what? Minus 2. Cofactor of minus 2 is what? Simply 2. Cofactor of minus 1 is what? Minus 3. And cofactor of 3 is what? Plus 1. Okay. Transpose, if you have to do transpose again, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Please tell me. Okay. This will be minus 2, 2 and 1 minus, sorry, I'll transpose, right? I did not transpose it. So this was the cofactor. Now I'm transposing it again. This comes here minus 3, this comes here 1. Okay, 1. This is my adjoint A. This is my adjoint A. What I'm looking for? A inverse. Why is that? Because I'm looking for A cube inverse. I proved that A cube is simply A inverse. So I'm writing, see, A cube is simply A. So I'm writing A cube inverse as A inverse, which is going to be adjoint A by determinant of A. How much is that? Minus 2, 1, minus 3, 2. What is determinant of A? Minus 1. Divided everything. Plus 2, minus 1, plus 3, minus 2. Please cross check here. Plus 2, minus 1, plus 3, minus 2. How much is that? Simply A, sir. Simply matrix A, sir. So my inverse of A cube is nothing but A, sir. Option number A, bacha. Simple problem. Calculate a little bit, but not that much. I think you can solve it from your side. Okay, I think that most of you must have got this right also. Okay. Okay, a triangle is given. What is this are all a known variable. They are asking us to find the area. Kar lenge. Area will be what, bacha? Tell me. 1 by 2. Right here, minus 2, 6, 1, 3, minus 6, 1, and 1, 5, 1. Okay. Find the determinant of this. Across minus 2 if I do. Determinant, right? So like this I can do. Across minus 2 will be what, bacha? Please check. So minus 6, minus 5. So minus 11. Minus 6, minus 5. We'll do the minus 11 part later. Then across minus 6 I have to do. Why minus 6, sir? Second term is negative. We know that. Don't have to tell you this thing again and again. Plus, minus, and plus. So again minus 6 across. I will have this gone. So it will be what, bacha? It will be what? 3 minus 1. Please check here. It will be 3. This 3 minus 1. Okay. Okay. Erase this. Erase this, erase this, erase this. Okay. What about this last one? Plus 1 across. So I'll have plus 1 multiplied with what? I'll cancel this and this. So 15 minus of minus 6. 15 minus of minus 6. Correct? Please check. 15 minus of minus 6. Right? Right? No? No. Correct? Plus minus plus. Taking the first one, so I remove the first one, first column, second one, first row, second column, third one, first row, third column. Okay, sign is there, minus, so this is plus, so it is minus 2 only. Can't do anything about it. Let's see here what I'm getting. 1 by 2. This is minus 11, right? So plus 22. Minus 11 into minus 2, plus 22. Please here how much check. 6 into, how much is that? 3 into minus is 2. So minus 12. How much is that? 15 plus 6. So 21. Correct, right? Please check. 15 plus 6, so 21. Plus sign is there. So if I do that, what I'm going to get? I'll have here 10. 22 minus 12 is 10. 10 plus 31 is 20. 10 plus 21 is 31. So 1 by 2 times of 31, how much is that? 15.5 square units. By square because area, right? Square units. Correct, no? This is 10 plus 21. So 31. 22 minus 12 is 10, right? 10 plus 12, 21 is 31. 31 by 2. 30 by 2 is 15. So 1 by 2 is again 0.5. 15.5 is square units. Option. This is C, okay? There's a mistake here. There's a mistake here. Forgive me. It's C. Option number C is right answer. Okay? Option number C is my right answer. Okay, chaliye. Okay, now very difficult question, right? I think most of you got this right, even though it's very difficult, right? So AN is equals to this matrix here, 2 cross 2, asking us this expression. Is it difficult really, sir? No, sir, it's not difficult. Find the determinant. Why determinant, sir? Because they're asking us determinant only every time. They're asking us determinant only every time, okay? What's my n value in this question? N value is 2021. We'll see that later. Right now, let's find the determinant of AN. Will be simply 1 minus n times 1 minus n times of n. है ना? This times this minus this times this for 2 cross 2 matrix. Please check 1 minus n the whole square minus n square. Please check 1 plus n square minus 2n minus n square. नहीं. Answer is 1 minus 2n. This is for what? Determinant of a power an. Determinant of an. Okay. चलिए. Let me write it over here. Now I will do for A1. For A1 what I'll have, bachcha, tell me. For A1, which is what? A1 determinant plus A2 determinant plus dot 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 A20. So let me write that later. I'm going to write it as simply AN. Okay, no problem. I'll write it as AN determinant. है ना? कर लेंगे, no problem. What is the AN value? 1 minus 2n. So for this it will become 1 minus 2 times of 1. N is 1, right? For the first case, N is what? 1. So next one will be what, bachcha? Tell me. 1 minus 2 times of 2. Right? For what next will be? 1 minus 2 times of N. Please see. I am adding 1, 1, 1. How many times? N times, sir. 1 here, 2, 1 here, 2. How many times? N times. So it will simply be 1 plus 1 plus 1. Sorry. I wrote 2 times 1 together. 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many times? N times. First thing is done. Now, minus sign is there. I'll take minus sign common. So, minus 2 times of 1, minus 2 times of 2, minus 2 times of 3, and how many times? Minus 2 times of n. है ना? Right? Let's take something. What is this? This is simply n, right? This is simply n. Minus take 2 common. I'll get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus. Please check here. Please check here. I take minus 2 common. This is 1 left. This is 2 left. 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, and simply n here. Right or not? 1, 2, 3 like this, right? So if I take this, what is it? N minus 2 times of, what is this, bachcha? Tell me here. What is this? Sum of first n natural numbers. What's the expression? N times of n plus 1 by 2. How, sir? From AP it comes, right? Yes. This 2 and this 2 cancel. What I have? N minus n times of n plus 1. Take n common. Okay. What I have left here? 1 minus n plus 1. Right or not? Right or not? Okay. How much is that? How much is that? Please check. N. What I've done here, I've taken n common. I hope you understand that. I've taken this n common. So what is left here? 1 is left. Minus sign. This n is taken common, so n plus 1. Okay. So what is left now? 1 minus n minus 1. 1 and 1 gone. 1 and 1 gone. What is left now? N times of minus n. How much is that? Minus n square. How much is that? N was minus 2021 square. Sir, why not positive? Why not positive? Because minus is out of the square, bachcha. Please check. Minus, if it was minus n, no, it will become plus n square. If it was minus n times minus n, it will become plus n square. What is in this case? N times of minus n. N times of minus n. So I'll have minus outside n square. So minus of 2021 whole square. Simple. See? Okay. I could have taken this as n directly, 2021, but I wanted to have the simpler calculation, so got it like this. You can take it as 2021 also, no problem. Okay. Chaliye, moving on. 22 questions. 22nd question. Matrix is given A like this, singular matrix. Find the value of this. Singular means what? Equal to 0. Singular means what? Equal to 0. So find this. Determinant equal to 0. Let's forget about this right now. Just find this value from here. I can get k result from there. So let me just do it quickly. Okay, how much this will be? 2 minus k times of 3 minus k minus 2 equal to 0. Please check here. How much I get? 6. 2 with minus k, minus 2k. Minus 3 with k, minus messy. Okay. I'll rewrite it. Minus 3k. Minus k with minus k. So plus k square. Minus k with minus k. So k square minus 2 equals to 0. Right? What was it? K square minus 5k. This is 6 minus 2. How much is that? 4. 6 minus 2. 4. Minus 5k plus k square. Do one thing. Bring this whole term on this side. What I'm going to get? Please check. I'm going to get 4 equals to this minus 5k will become plus 5k. This k square will become minus k square. Answer is like this. 5k minus k square is how much? 4. Option number B. See, So I went with what they have given in the question. What is they have given in the question? This is given singular matrix. So put the determinant equal to 0. I got the relation 4 minus 5k plus k square equal to 0. Took 4 on the other side, or took this minus 5k plus k square on the other side, becomes plus 5k minus k square, which is equal to 0, which is equal to 4. So answer is 4. Answer is 4. Yes, yes sir. Okay, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Simple problem, simple problems, right sir? Area of triangle with vertices. So area is given. I don't have to solve it. I'll give you how to do it. I've solved multiple questions like this in the session only. Asked in 2023. See, so recently they have asked. Previous year only. So please check this. How will I? Previous year, not previous to previous year. Okay. So determinant area is given, right? Area is given as 9. Area is given as 9. So let's write the matrix first. So minus 3, 0, 1, 3, 0, 1, and 0, k1. Okay, with 1 by 2 and equals to plus minus 9. Okay, equals to plus minus 9. So I'll give you a hint. Open the determinant across, or solve the determinant across this second column. This will be 0, 0. Only for k you have to solve it. Multiply 2 on the other side will become what? 18. Solve, your answer will be, I think, C. Okay, okay, I am not sure. Let me solve it anyway. Okay, I think answer should be C, but let me try anyway. Okay, so if I do across this, I'm only doing across k, right? So I'll be getting what? Half of k will be negative, right? K will be negative, sir. Why k will be negative, sir? Why k is negative, sir? Please check here. This is negative, this is positive, this is negative. So k is negative. Okay, cancel this out. What is left now? Minus 3 minus 3 equals to plus minus 9. Right? 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 How much is that? Please check. So minus of minus 3, so plus 6k equals to plus minus 18. So either I get as 6k equals to 18 or 6k equals to minus 3. So k equals to 3 or k equals to minus 3. Okay, this is now plus 18. Okay, minus 18. Any of the answer. Okay, not visible, looks messy. Let me erase and write it again. Okay, minus 18. Both options are possible. Only 3 is there. Option C was right. Option C, I was right. Okay, but anyway, I solved it. Okay, I told you not much difficult. The questions I'm leaving, no, they're not difficult as I'm leaving. Simple. Why to waste time on that? Okay, let's move on to the next problem. चलिए कर लेते हैं. A is given. AB is I, then find B. AB is I, then find B. Okay, think about it. AB equals to I. How will I find B? I have to find A. I have to take A inverse on both sides. So it will become A inverse of A. B equals to I. A inverse of I. Yes or no? A inverse I. How much this will be? This will be simply B equals to A inverse. Basically, they are saying that B equal to A inverse means what? I have to find inverse of this and Y. That's what my answer is going to be. Think about it. They are asking us to find B from this expression. How will this be true? AB equals to I means what? A and B are inverse to each other. Forget about all of this, what I wrote here. I can solve it like this also, but think logically. Don't have to write this also. Okay? Please understand this. If AB is I means what? A and B are inverse of each other. So basically B will be equal to what? A inverse. How will I find A inverse? Adjoint A by determinant of A. Find determinant of A from here. Determinant of A will be equal to, sir, 1 times of 1. So 1 minus of this square to square. So will become minus tan square alpha by 2. How much is that? 1 plus. How much is that? Tan square alpha by 2. How much is that? Sec square alpha by 2. Yes or no? Right? This is correct. Sec square alpha by 2. Now we have to find what? Adjoint. Let's find adjoint. Adjoint will be cofactors transpose. For this one, I'll get what? 1. For this one, I'll get 1. Again, for tan alpha by 2, what I'm going to get? Plus tan alpha by 2. Right? Right or not? For this tan alpha by 2, I'll get plus tan alpha by 2. And for this minus tan alpha by 2, I'll get what? Minus tan alpha by 2. Yes or no? Take the transpose again. What I'm going to get? 1 minus tan alpha by 2. This will be tan alpha by 2. Okay? This is minus sign, bacha. This is minus sign. Not visible. I'll change the color. Okay? minus tan, this is simply 1. This is my adjoint A, right? I'm looking for what? A inverse, no? My A inverse would be adjoint A, this by sec, so I'll write it this here, by sec square alpha. This whole thing, this whole matrix divided by sec square alpha by 2. Think about it. This will become what? 1 by sec square is there, right? So it will become cos square alpha. Yes, sir. Please check this. Please check this over here only. A inverse I'm writing directly. So this sec square is in denominator, will become what? Cos square alpha by 2. This part is clear? Okay. Now what about this bracket? Please check here what I have in the matrix. I have 1 minus tan alpha by 2, and this I have as tan alpha by 2 and 1. Isn't this basically transpose of this? Please check here. 1 remains same. This has come here and this has gone there. Negative is up there and this negative has gone up and positive has come down. So simply I can write this as cos square alpha by 2 times of A transpose. Yes or no? Please understand this. This is nothing but a transpose, right? Okay. So answer is B. Answer is B. Looks messy in this page. I should have done that in a different slide also. I don't think this was required. Okay. First I have done this. This is the first step. Find the determinant of A. Then adjoint A I found using the cofactors. Okay. Taking the transpose again. This is the transpose. Taking the transpose, coming like this, divided by sec square alpha by 2. The sec square alpha by 2 in denominator will become cos square alpha by 2. Again this will be taken as a transpose. So simply transpose is AT. Answer is B. Answer is B. Chaliye. Okay. Now the continuity and differentiability part is there. CD is also part of this. So I think you have solved this question also. There was how many? 6 questions from this section. Okay. 24 was from the determinant section. So I hope all of you performed really good in the determinant section, right? Chaliye, let's complete this last 6 problems also. The derivative of cos inverse of 2x square minus 1 cos inverse of x. Acha. Okay, this is the parametric form. Differentiate this with respect to this. Differentiate this function with respect to this function, parametric form. Okay. Take this cos inverse of x. I can take it as, let's say, t. Okay. What is going to be? I'll get this as x equals to cos t or not? X equals to cos t. This is s. This is s. Okay. So cos t. All right. Put here. I'll get cos inverse of, from this expression, cos inverse of 2x square, right? So 2 cos t square, cos square t minus 1. What is 2 cos square t minus 1? Cos 2t. I hope you have not forgotten this formula. Which formula, sir? This formula, bacha. Cos 2t or 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square x. Right? Same thing is being used here. Okay? Same thing being used here. This is t, no? This is t in this case. Variable is t, that's why. No other reason. Let's erase this part, not required. Okay. So I hope you understand this from this formula I'm using. I'm using this from this formula. 2 cos square t minus 1 is 2 cos 2t. What is this going to be? Cos inverse of cos 2t is going to be what, bacha? Cos inverse of cos 2t will be simply 2t, no? Simply 2t, right? Yes. Now they're asking us to differentiate what? This is with respect to this. So basically I got this as 2t and this is what? T. Yes or no? Please check here. I have taken this as t, this is 2t. Why 2t? I got it as 2t. Okay. Now I have to differentiate this with this respect to what? T. So basically differentiate 2t with respect to t. How much is the answer? 2, sir. D of 2t by t is just 2. Why, sir? T will be the variable. How will this come? 2 power t 1 minus 1. How much is that? 0. So 2 power anything, t power anything, 0 will be 1. So I don't have to write that. So simply 2. Simply 2 answer is there. Please check A. A. Simple question. Very simple. Okay. After substitution becomes very, very simple. Next. Okay. Y equals to log of log x. We have to find what? second order derivative. Find what? Second order derivative. Can we do it? Of course we can, sir. So first find y dash. What will that be? 1 upon log x. Why, sir? I have to use the chain rule, no? 1 upon log x. And then log of x, the differentiation will be what? 1 upon x. What is this? So I got y dash equals to x log x. X log x. Okay. Now to find what? Second order derivative. So y double dash will be equal to what? Differentiation of y dash. So differentiation of what? 1 upon x log x. Please cross check. Okay, I wrote it a little bit wrong, not much. Okay, I did not write it in denominator. See, x log x is in denominator, right? So 1 upon x log x, bacha. Okay, okay. So I think you can see from here also. You know, this is not there. Okay, okay. Yeah, x is missing here. X square log x. Okay, x square log x. This is not there. Only two options can be right, B and C. We'll see which one is right. We'll see which one is right. Okay. So how will I differentiate this part? Quotient rule I will apply. Quotient rule. So let's do for 1 first. So I'll get 1 as differentiation of 1 will be 0. Okay. What about the next one? This is my what value? This is the value of y double dash, na bacha. Okay, so 0, and this will remain as it is, x log x. Then minus sign, I'll write 1 as it is. Then I have to do for x log x. What product rule I have to do? So for x, let me write here. Then I'll do the next in the next step. X log x. Okay, divided the whole thing by divided by x log x the whole square. Right. Y double dash. This is 0, this is minus. How much is this? Product, we have to use product rule. So first it will remain, x will be simply 1, okay, and I write log x as it is. Next what? Plus sign I will go write x as it is, and log x will be 1 by x. For x I'll write as it is, and for log x differentiation is 1 by x. The whole thing divided by x log x the whole square. X goes out. What is my answer? Please check here. Y double dash is what? 0 not required, so I have a minus sign here. So minus sign. 1 into log x is simply log x. This is what? Plus 1 divided by x log x the whole square. X log x the whole square. Okay, what is y double dash? Same thing, right? Second order derivative, no? Second order derivative, right? D square by upon dx square, second order derivative. Answer is B. Please check. Minus 1 plus log x upon x log x the whole square. Minus 1 plus log x upon x log x the whole square. Moving on. See, clear? First order derivative we found it out upon 1, which we got it as 1 upon x log x. Next, kya kiya? We use this. Same thing, we use the quotient rule to get answer. 1 plus log x upon x log x the whole square. Whole thing with the negative sign. Okay. Continuous is given. The function fx. Moving on to 27th problem. Only 4 questions to go. Let's see. So if fx equals to kx square, f is x less than 2. Okay, this for x greater than 2 it is 3. Okay. Continuous at x equals to 2. Then value of k is. Okay. First find the value of the function. f2 is what, bacha? f2 is k times of 2 square. How much is that? 4k. How much is that? 4k. Continuous means what? Means left hand limit L1 equals to L2 equals to f of at that point 2. Okay. So f of 2 is nothing but 4k. So find L1 quickly. Let's find L2 quickly. Find L2 quickly. What is L2 going to be? Tell me. What is going to be L2? L2 will be what? I'll use this function. Greater than 2. What is the answer? 3. Is there a variable in it? No. Then how will you put the variable? There's no way. So if I find L2, if I apply limit like this, 2 from plus side, f of x, what is the answer? Simply 3, no? Because there's no other value. There's no variable in this. So simply 3. So my L2 is 3, my f2 is 4k, and the function is continuous means what? So my f of 2 will be equal to L2 or RHL So which basically 4k will be equal to 3. So basically k will be equal to 3 by 4, na? Is it not visible? 3 by 4, right? Answer is B. Answer is B. K equal to 3 by 4. Correct? Simple problem. Very, very simple. Continuity means LHL equals to RHL equals to the function's value at the given point. The function value at the given point, sir. Okay. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Okay. Sin x is given in this term. Tan y is given in this term. We have to find out this value dy by dx. Dy by dx. Okay. Dy by dx they are asking us to find. No. Can I separate this? Can I move this over here? Sin. Yes. Let me try. X equals to sine inverse of 2t upon 1 plus t square. You can write, na? लिख सकते हैं, right? I'm moving sine inverse on the other side. Same way I can write y equals to what, बच्चा? Tan inverse of 2t upon 1 minus t square. Right? Yeah. Achha, one more thing. I can see a formula building up here. 2t upon 1 plus t square, 2t upon 1 minus t square. If you remember this formula, if I take, before writing it, let me take the substitution first. Then it will become easier for you to understand. If I take t equals to tan theta, t equal to tan theta. If I do that, from here what I can say? From here we can say theta is equals to tan inverse of t. Correct, right? Correct, right? Theta, if t is tan theta, then theta equals to tan inverse of t. Okay? This is my substitution. This is my substitution, sir. Okay, sir. Let's see now. Okay. So if I write it like this, 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. What's this formula for? What's this formula for? Sir, sine 2 theta, sir. Sine 2 theta, sir. Yes, yes, yes. And what about other one? What about this one? 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta is the formula for tan 2 theta, sir. Don't tell me why. Okay, we have used it multiple times. I can write it as tan 2. This is the straightforward formula. Okay, this I've done so many times. Tan theta plus tan theta I can write 1 minus tan theta into tan theta. Okay, so tan theta plus theta will be tan 2 theta. Correct? Chaliye. Now I will use this. So I'll replace, please check here. I'm writing t as tan theta, right? So I can write 2t by 1 plus t square as this form. Please see now. So my x will be sine inverse of 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Yes or no? And at the same time my y will be what is it? Tan inverse, right? Y is tan inverse. So y will be tan inverse of 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Correct? Correct. What will this become? X equals to sine inverse of sine 2 theta. And this will be what? Y equal to tan inverse of tan 2 theta. Yes or no? Yes, sir. What will this be, bacha? 2 theta. And what will this be, bacha? Tan inverse, sorry. Simply 2 theta here also. What is theta now? Theta, if you remember, tan inverse of t. Over here also y equal to tan inverse of t. How, sir? Please cross check. Theta is tan inverse of t. Tan inverse of t. Now, what we get from here? Y and x are equal. Y and x are equal. So take the derivative now. dy by dx will be what, bacha? Simply 1, na? Simply 1, right? So what is my answer? Option A. Okay. How? Because y equal to x, right? 2 tan inverse t and 2 tan inverse t. So y equal to x means what? Take the derivative. dy by dx on the left hand side. X derivative is 1. So dy by dx equals to 1. Slope is equals to 1. If you want a logic behind it, draw the line. What is this? What is this line called? Y equal to x line. Right? We'll learn about it. We'll learn about it in the coming sessions. what is it going to be? What is this called as? This is called as theta, or the slope of the line what? Y equal to x, and how much is that? Plus 1. No, what is this? What is this angle? 45 degree. Apply it here. Tan 45 degree is how much? 1. You know the slope is given by tan 45 degree, right? We have learned in grade 10, or even if you learned in PU1, the part where you deal with coordinate geometry. Slope is given by tan theta. Theta is what? 45 degree. And when y equal to x means the line is equally inclined to both the x axis and y axis. So equally inclined means 45, 45. Tan 45 is 1. How much is that? 1. That's what we are getting. What is this? This is called slope only, no? Divided by dx is slope only. So like this. This is a practical application, not required for this our case. Our case, option A is correct. Answer A. If you want, I can erase this. Not relevant. Not relevant, sir. चलिए, okay. आगे बढ़े. Let's move on. Problem number coming up is 29. 29. अरे this is a simple question. Very very simple. Asked in 2018 बच्चा. 2018. Okay. So we have to find the derivative value at -1. So first find the derivative. Okay. Which derivative? Only first. F dash is given, not F double dash. So find F dash. F dash of x will be given by x value is what? Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of 1 by x is 1 by x square. Okay. Having any doubt? 1 by x, sir. Understand this, please. Okay. Having this, what is going to be? X power minus 1. Okay. Derivative of this will be minus 1 times of x power minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 times of x power minus 2 minus 1 upon x square. X square. So this minus 1, this will make this positive. Minus and minus will be positive. Simply minus and minus is positive. Simply 1 upon x square. Simply 1 upon x square. Not relevant. I don't have to do this. You can do it in your mind also. Okay. But if you want a hint, use the differentiation of polynomial. That formula which is there, no? nx power n minus 1. So 1 plus x square is the derivative. What are we asking? Find the value at f of minus 1 derivative value. This will be minus 1. No, this will be plus 1 only, right? Because there is no x here. Minus 1 the square. So 1 plus 1 by 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Option number B. Option number B. Option number B is the correct answer. Chaliye. Last problem that I think you must have already solved it. Okay. I hope you found the questions easy. I hope this had all the categories, you know, the problem in it. Difficult, where you have to think about it. Okay, not very difficult. Okay, because the time constraint is there, right? But we have to solve the paper in 60 minutes. So you cannot be very calculative. So only certain questions can be calculative. But I hope the paper was well balanced. I hope you were able to approach and solve most of the problems. Okay, that is my goal, right? The derivative of ln of x plus sin x, this is not a p by q. I told you, no, one question is not p by q. With respect to this, again parametric form is there. So if I take this as y, okay, I cannot take this as y. Can I? Take this as p and this as q. This as q, bacha. Take it as q. So find dp by, so I have to find what? I have to find dp by dq. So I can simply write it as dp by dx first, and then I'll do what? dq by dx. है ना? Parametric form expression. So find dp by dx first. dp by dx, find it out. How much that will be? 1 upon x plus sin x for log, for ln, 1 upon x plus sin x. Anything else? Okay. I'll do for what do you call, for x plus sin x also. So x will be simply 1 and sin x will be what? What? Please check. Cos x. So my this value dp by dx will become what? 1 plus cos x upon 1 plus cos x upon x plus sin x. 1 plus cos x upon x plus sin x. What about dq by dx? Okay. Very simple. For x will be 1. For cos will be minus sin x. I have to take what? Their ratio. So in this thing, I have to add this in denominator. Correct, right? This dp by dx upon this. So in this fraction, I have to add what? This as denominator. So what will my final answer be looking like? Okay. I have to write it over here only, I guess. I haven't taken any extra slide for this. So let me write it here. Final answer dp by dq. dp by dq equals to what, bacha? So this part 1 plus cos x upon x plus sin x, and this will come in denominator 1 minus sin x. Okay, please check any option is correct. Any option is correct, sir? 1 plus cos x, x plus sin x, 1 minus sin. Option A is correct, right? 1 plus cos x, x plus sin x, 1 minus sin x. Option A is correct. Okay, chaliye. This is the end of your complete KPL 3 solutions, right? I have solved all the questions. One question I have not solved. Question number, I think I don't remember the question number. So I have given the answer for it. Okay. If you have a doubt in it, ask me in the comment section. But I hope I have cleared all of your doubts. I hope you have scored really good in the KPL 3. Okay, I'm looking forward to KPL 4 solutions as well. In that, I think priority will be given to continuity and differentiability. In this, I had only 4-5 questions at the last. In the next session of KPL, you'll have more questions coming from continuity and differentiability. All right, I hope all of you are doing really good. Keep working hard. If you have scored good, make sure that you comment your answers. I get to know, that you are, seriously taking this series, and making some positivity coming out of your, any positive outcomes coming out of your preparation. So which, makes me more it encourages me, makes me happy. So I want to see those marks that, sir, I got these many marks. So please comment below for your, whatever marks you've got. Doesn't matter if it's less or more, it's okay. The competition of yours is with you. Right? Then if you are better, if you're making yourself better every day, then you'll get to compete with other people. Right now, forget about everything else. You have to improve. First thing is you have to improve. So I hope this has made some, effort in improving yourself. I have made from my side. I hope you have also made from your side. With this note, I would like to end the session. Keep working hard with the positivity in your face. Okay, always be smiling, and let's see you in the next session. I'll see you in the next session. For now, take care. Bye-bye.